Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 9, 2022, 3 stars Sudoku. 4th grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 5, 9. 5th row and 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 8, 9. 6th row and 7th row we have 9. Column J also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 7. 6th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column G we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 9th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row and 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5, 9. Column D we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come in the both the cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in the both the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. Second row and third row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will come in the both cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5. 10th row and third row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 1 and 4 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Second row and third row we have 5. Column G also we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. Column I we have 1 and 6, so 1 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in any of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second grade we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Second row we have 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then seventh grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column E we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 9th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Tenth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. 9th row and 10th row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here, then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column G, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.